Imagine a battlefield, not the kind with soldiers in trenches. Think drones in the sky, robots on the ground, decisions made in milliseconds. This isn't science fiction. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how we think about war. It's like giving brains to our weapons and letting them make some choices. Exciting, terrifying, maybe both. AI is already here. Militaries around the world are using it. Think about self-driving cars. Now imagine that same technology guiding a military vehicle. Or picture a computer program that can analyze tons of data to predict the enemy's next move. This is the power of AI in warfare. It's not just about having smarter weapons, it's about transforming the entire strategy of combat. AI can process information at speeds and volumes that humans simply can't match. It can identify patterns, predict outcomes, and even suggest the best course of action in real time. Imagine a command center where decisions are made not just by generals, but by the algorithms that have crunched millions of data points. This is the new reality. The future of warfare is here, and it's driven by artificial intelligence. Welcome to a new era of military strategy and technology.
Right now, AI is mostly used for support. It plays a crucial role in enhancing the capabilities of human soldiers on the battlefield. It helps humans make better decisions faster. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI can provide insights that would take humans much longer to uncover. For example, AI can process information from satellites and drones to give commanders a clear picture of the battlefield. This real-time analysis is crucial for making informed decisions quickly. This helps them make smarter choices about troop movements and attacks. With AI's assistance, commanders can strategize more effectively, minimizing risks and maximizing the chances of success.
AI is also being used to develop autonomous weapons systems. These systems are designed to operate independently, reducing the need for human intervention in critical moments. These are weapons that can identify and engage targets on their own, without human input. They use advanced algorithms to distinguish between friend and foe, ensuring precision in their actions. Think of it like a very advanced drone that can make its own decisions about when to fire. These autonomous drones can assess situations and respond accordingly, making them a powerful tool in modern warfare.
Let's play a game of war. In one corner we have the human general, experienced but slow to react. In the other corner, an AI system, lightning fast but lacking creativity. Who wins?